Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the row or rows you want to change. That selection tells Excel exactly where to apply the new height. Once done, right-click the row header and pick Row Height, or go to Home, Format, Row Height if you prefer the ribbon. This opens a small dialog where you type a numeric value. Excel uses points for measurement, so entering 15 or 30 adjusts visual spacing. Make sure to select multiple rows when you want uniform heights across them. You now decide how tall the row should be and why. Use a small value for compact tables or larger numbers for wrapped text and readability. In the row height dialog, type the point value, for example 20, then press Enter or click OK. Excel immediately applies it. Alternatively, double-click the row boundary or choose Home Format Auto Fit Row Height to Size to content automatically. If you expect mixed content sizes, combine Auto Fit with a minimum fixed height for consistency. To finish, inspect the sheet to confirm readability and alignment. Make sure wrap text behaves as expected and merge cells haven't blocked resizing. If rows don't change, unmerge any merged cells in that area or turn off wrap text and try Auto Fit again. Merged cells prevent proper auto fit. Once adjusted, lock column widths or protect the sheet if you need to keep heights fixed. If problems persist, restart Excel to clear interface glitches and retry the steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.